This is the VersionTECH Multicolor Backlit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Let's take it out of the box. And here it is. It's not plugged in yet. I will show that plugged in. Definitely has some nice tactile feedback on it, so you always know when the key is made. Feels pretty good. Really can't complain. It's got a metal surround on it. Over here, that's just a design with a sticker on it. You have some lights up here for indicators, and this keyboard also comes with a removal tool as well as 2 replacement key switches, although they're rated for several million keystrokes, so it's unlikely that you would need to ever replace one. Obviously this will look a lot nicer once lit up. You have your WASD over here for gaming. They put little arrow indicators on there, and of course your standard upside down T cluster over here. And you have a set of multimedia keys going across the top, including volume control and mute and stuff like that. There are no flip-up feet or anything like that to change the angle, but it's already set at 12 degrees. So you can see it already sits at an angle like that. Of course, this has all of the features you'd be looking for in a gaming keyboard, such as anti-ghosting and N-key rollover. These are blue switches. I'll leave it up to you to figure out which manufacturer they are. They are not the brand named after a fruit, but they are a clone as such. And once again, the feel is quite good on them. So let's get this hooked up to a computer now and see what it can really do. Here's what it looks like when it's first plugged in. It does sort of a chase pattern like that, and lights up the rest of the keyboard. You have lights going all around, and of course you can adjust these as well using the function key. You can turn the backlight off for the keys, or you can turn it up in any of several different levels. Your keyboard lock indicators are blue. The camera washes them out, but you can see there's caps lock, for example, and number lock is already on. The booklet, of course, shows how to set all of the different modes as well as the color combinations. You can also adjust the rim lighting over here, as I've done. It has a couple of different modes. You can just have it sort of go on and off like that. You can have it on solid and off. And of course you can adjust colors and turn certain backlights or certain keys on and off and all kinds of crazy stuff like that. So once again, this was the VersionTECH Multicolor Backlit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.